welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I'm doing amazing today. I am in the same shirt as one of my previous videos because, like I've said, I'm trying. There's like motorcycles zooming up and down my street like real fast. But anyways, I'm trying to get these boxes out to you guys. They just keep rolling in. So I am in the same shirt, same day, but at least it's not that plain black one anymore. It's a little bit more colorful. But anyways, hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with that being said, today I have my Sephora Play box. I can't remember how much Sephora Play is. I think it's $10 a month, but I'll put everything down in the description below with all of the box information. I don't know any of the spoilers. I haven't peeked at the bag, nothing. I have had time to do nothing lately. So we will get into this box and see what Sephora Play has got us today. And again, I still have my screwdriver to open my box because I'm too lazy to walk down my stairs and get my scissors. So we will just get into this box with the screwdriver. And actually the screwdriver does a really good job. So let's see. Alright, so you open it up and it just looks like this. And we have our little thing up here with our 50 Beauty Insider points. And we have our magazine. And it has pop quizzes, just some little things to read. And then has all the items on the back. So we'll get into that in a minute. And here is the bag for this month. It says back to beauty school because I know the kids are going back to school or they've already been back to school. I don't have any kids, but I know that my sister's going back to school soon. So that is really cute. It has a brush, a pencil, a mascara wand, a ruler, and another brush. So that's really cute. Here's the bag with all the back to school supplies and the makeup. And it has these really pretty pink ribbons, which I love pink. So we'll get in here and see what we got. Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out is a foil packet. And this is the, I think it's pronounced Ouai. It's O-U-A-I. I think it's Ouai. This is shampoo and conditioner. It is the Repair. So since we got this, I don't believe we'll get a perfume sample, which makes me a little bit sad because I love getting perfume samples. And this is not much in here. I'll probably get one use out of this and that's it. So here is just the little shampoo and conditioner. And this is Ouai. And this just says a shampoo and conditioning duo that replenishes and nurtures for healthy looking hair. Visibly repairs damage, protects color, and technology complex. They must really know that I'm on like this hair journey, so they're sending me some stuff. But no. Anyways, this is the Ouai shampoo and conditioner, so I'll use that throughout my shower. The next thing I'm pulling out is this itty bitty little box. This is by Makeup Forever, our Artist Rouge Cream. So is this blush? No, this is a little lipstick. So it comes in this itty bitty little box here. And we will open it, and it is, maybe the shade is Artist Rouge Cream. I'm guessing. We'll get this out. It's so tiny. This lipstick is the littlest thing ever. This just says a highly pigmented lipstick and a soft rosewood shade with a smooth satin finish. So we will see. It's so tiny. It's like a little Barbie doll lipstick, but I really do like this shade. I will swatch it for you guys so we can see what color. I love this shade. It is so tiny. I love tiny things. It's so little. But here is the shade here on my hand. It is super pretty. I've been getting a lot of colors like this, so I like it. I love that it's so little. Hopefully it doesn't get lost in my gigantic purse that I carry around. So that is the second thing in our little bag. Alrighty. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is this. What is this? This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I think I got something in one of my other boxes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. But this is a clear brow gel. And this just says a lightweight gel that defines brows and holds them in place all day. Which I don't use a lot of brow products. I hardly have any eyebrows, so I like scrape them on with my eyebrow pencil, and that's all that I do. But maybe I can give this a try. So it just has an itty bitty little spoolie that you can just scrape it. I'm not going to put it on now because I can't see in this little thing for one, and I'd probably poke my eyeball out. So, and here's a little packaging. It's just silver and says Anastasia Beverly Hills on it. So there's the third thing. The next thing I'll pull out is in the squeezy tube, and it's full. It says Original Skin Texturizing Mask with Rose Clay, and it's by Origins. I love that packaging. It's like a pink, like camo-y kind of packaging. So here is the packaging for this. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm so far away. I need new contacts. But anyway, it says apply a thin layer to clean skin. Avoid eye area. Leave on 10 minutes using wet fingertips. Wash off. Use one to two times per week. And this just says a purifying mask that deeply cleanses, refines pores for silky smooth. And it is really full. We can just see what it looks like. Oh, it's very thick. That was a lot. But it is right here. It is just pink. And it's got little beads in it, so it is exfoliating. Oh, it smells like good. Oh, I just got it on my nose. It smells like roses, which I love the smell of roses. So there's that. I'm going to wipe it off of my hand before I get it completely all over myself. So there's that. And of course, my dogs are barking at who knows what. Anyways, the next thing I'm pulling out is Living Proof. This is TBD Multitasking Styler. What is this? It is a versatile styling cream that can be used to define or smooth wet or dry hair. For dry hair, apply a small amount. For damp hair, use a comb it through before blow drying. So it is just a way to tame flyaways, voluminize blowouts, and curl definition. So I would definitely be using this. Here's the packaging for it. And we'll just see what this smells like. It smells good. I love the smell of hair products. I just do. I'm weird, I know. But I love the smell of most every hair product. Not all of them. But it's just a white cream you put in your hair, and it is supposed to tame flyaways and give it some moisture. So I would definitely be using that. It smells really good. Feels good on my hands, so hopefully it'll be good for my hair. And is this the last thing? Yes, the last thing in our little bag is by Hoola Benefit. And this is a matte bronzer in a natural hue that blends easily for a sun-kissed look. So we will get this out. Oh, here's a little packaging before I rip it or something. But here's the little packaging for it. Oh, it's so cute. It's like in a little compact. It says Hoola on the outside of it with like this blue little shape. And it is in the shade, oh yeah, it's a matte bronzer. And I think it's just a light. Oh, natural hue. So here is the bronzer. So let's see if it should be light enough. Oh yeah. Usually when I get bronzers, they're too dark for me because I am very pale. But this bronzer, you can barely, it's on my middle finger here. So it should be light enough. Yes. That will be light enough for me to, you can't really see it, for me to contour with. So I'll definitely be trying this out. Like I said, I do have bronzers that are way too dark for me. So I'll be using this little guy. This month's Sephora play, I really enjoyed all the products. This little lipstick like still intrigues me. It was so tiny. And it does not have like the prices on there, but I really enjoyed this month. I do like the bag. So that is all that was in our Sephora. And here's the little bag again, which I think is super cute. It has the makeup and school supplies. So with that being said, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!